For my YouTube channel, basically, I just wanted to show you, yeah, for this one, I am actually coming up with the new ideas. So what I'm trying to do is that I wanted to use AI, and I'm going to show you the complete process that how to come up with different type of ideas, which I'm gonna use that as a fundamental to create new videos for my this channel. Okay, and this is not just for demo. I am going to use it for my real content and all. So yeah, you can just I would say be with me till this video, so till the end, so that you can see my complete process and all, and see that how I am coming up with that. Okay, so there are a lot of one thing I can see is that there are a lot of videos which are so good. Let me just see, like you can see this one is the base, keeping the base thing which is there, which I am basically talking about, like anti-gravity, Claude code and all. So yeah, this one video gone 33k views. Okay, and it's good. Okay, on the other side I can see any other videos, like you can see, not this one, Opus. Yeah, this one as well, a bit, you can say, what you must know about. So this one as well, but this is only 1k. That's also kind of good, but this is the reason, I mean, the nick is there, that is why they are getting more views and all. On the other side, I want something which is better. uh, you can see this one as well, the most brain indeed money making opportunity in 30 years. That's easy. So you can pick this one as well, maybe. And what I have done is that I am picking all these and just putting it out in here. Okay, and you can see what I have given this as a prompt. Now what you need to do is you need to research it out. You can use my YouTube API if needed. You don't, I don't know, you can use it, but go through the YouTube and pick up the top performing videos right now. Instead, what should we do is that we should go to a new Claude, and I should pick up this Victor. Okay, so this is the persona which I am using from BMAD method. Okay, and this is what I actually wanted to put it into the Victor. And let me maybe just copy, paste it here. Not, it is not coming, so let me just do like this quickly. Okay, this one is the one, this is the second. I actually picked all these videos from my feed only. Okay, and this one is third, this one is fourth, and this one is fifth, which we have just picked right now. Okay, so that is what I am doing with it, and you can read. You need to research it out. You can use my YouTube API. I'm just telling it to do its best and giving it some fundamentals, and as a pillars, and it is going to figure it out that what should be done to give me the best content ideas which is there. Okay, so yeah, let me just input it and let's see that what happens. Okay, you can see. So this is the way, basically not only one thing, you can just test it out, the multiple things, and I'm just doing it out, and using these frameworks it becomes so much amazing, because now it can do research and all. You can use Claude skills as well. There is this new thing, not new thing, but it's pretty much kind of new, but so much amazing as well. You can do all these things through that as well. And yeah, because in that way you can build up some skills, and Claude knows that what is the process you need to follow for each time. It is kind of an automation for an AI tool to do every single time. Let's say we figure it out that this YouTube or a thumbnail generation skill needs to be done this way, and it is going to pick up the same method every single time, and it can self-heal as well if needed. So yeah, it is asking me for some kind of, I'm going to give it the bypass permission, so that it does not needs my permission for all these things. It can just go and research it out. Okay, whatever. So yeah, And the next thing is that you can also use Perplexity API. I have added that as well in the .env file. Okay. So yeah, I mean in between as well, I can just talk something to it. And this is the way I just wanted to show you. Uh, and I don't wanted to cut through very important intricacies and details, which might be important for you if you are doing it for yourself. Okay, it is doing its work. Mm. So basically, the idea is that it is going to be a top of the funnel content which people actually are up to, which people actually wanted to listen about, and we can just work upon it and just create a video about it. So the idea is that, and at the back end, we need a CTA for our community and all. So yeah, you need to help me out to research it out properly. We can also use anti hooks like anytime is dead or something like that, because that is true and people are still catching up on those as well only. See, here what I am doing is that my main power is actually thinking in a direction, giving it a direction, and it is opening up with its power. It is a genie who does not know its own direction, but here we are the person, we are someone who is managing this. Okay, so you need to trust your thinking, you need to develop your thinking a way uh, to manage things. If you are not a manager, you are not going to manage AI as well. You need to learn these skills. So that's the thing. Why Victor? You might ask that why I have picked Victor only, because Victor is a personality. I can just show you here as well. Okay, so we can read about it as well. I'm Victor. You need to tell me out that what are the different things you can do, Victor. See, innovative strategy, strategic clarity, business model rethinking, competitive analysis, positioning. What's next architecture? What I don't do. I don't write code. I don't build thumbnails. I don't do therapy. Okay. I though I call out when your emotional state is driving a bad strategic decision, whatever. So this is where Victor comes up, and I use a lot Victor as a personality, and all these personalities are ingrained in this BMAD. You can just search it out online, and it's an amazing framework. I'm going to create videos as well on these type of frameworks as well. So yeah, it actually came up with some kind of ideas. You can see the strategic background. The data doesn't lie. Here's what performing right now. 120 proven ideas. See, your unfair advantage. Every creator listed above techie tools. You are teaching thinking, and that's the cap. The document includes whatever all these things. So we can just pick it up and just see preview. Okay, so it already given us all these different type of categories. Claude Code tutorial for complete beginners. Hot topics right now. How to use this document. Pick any video idea item from below. They are all proven. Record yourself doing that thing, and every video if you want the framework. Okay, backend CTA, and 5 things I wish I know before using Claude Code and all. So these are the categories. These are the things which we need to use and all. Vibe coding. See, this is the thing. You can create whatever. Okay, in one of my previous video, I was actually using this thumbnail generation and all. I was also showing these my own personal management as well. I am actually journaling every single day. I am coming up on this tool and I am journaling. I am just picking it up, and my input method is also changed. I am just pressing this button, which is functional key, and I'm just picking it up, and it is just taking my whatever inputs in it, and it is so much faster. I can show you that this is the, let me just show you, this is the dashboard, and you can see 18k words in just 9 days, and that's a lot. It's even, I would say, not that much. It can be a lot much better if you just use it so much. So that much amount of volume I am using AI tools right now. I am inputting that much level of prompts, because the prompting is not a very much big deal. You just need a critical thinking about a context. You need to see from an AI perspective that which context it might be missing, and you might need to give that context with some two or three follow-ups, but eventually it will going to get it, because whatever it is going to say, that specific output will speak it up automatically, that if it is getting your input or not, and if it's not getting, then you can just adjust anytime. So yeah, I hope that this video could have given you some insights that what are the different type of amazing use cases you can use Claude Code and BMAD method and DAW framework and all. If you wanted to learn these things in detail, there is this link in this description, and you can join our community, and just for the first 50 people it is on a very discounted price, and after that it is definitely going to be changed. And if you are someone who is joining this community at this price, it is going to be locked for the next, I would say, I mean forever. Okay, it is not going to change for you. But if you are joining it late, then it is going to be it is going to be increased. Okay, so you have to rejoin in a increased price. Okay, so that is what the thing is. I'm learning to be smooth in English, so just ignore that, but that will eventually happen. I'm just speaking it up every single day, so that's not an issue, so just ignore that. Thank you so much for being till this point, and let's learn the fundamentals, which are so much important right now, instead of the chaos which is going around in terms of AI. Thank you so much. Bye bye.